Hi, so I'm Christoria Rutherford, and just to answer a few questions. Hello to everyone in the classroom. So for my profession as of right now, currently I work as a permanency specialist for child welfare in Philadelphia. Um, Basically, primarily what I do is I work with the parents as well as with the case managers, helping the cases move along, try to assist with reunification or any other permanent legal or alternative placement for children. As far as what I've learned so far within my past courses, or what I've enjoyed so much. So what I've enjoyed so far, I would say I've definitely enjoyed the first class we took, which was the interpersonal process, and I really appreciated the interaction. Kind of like got me back into the groove of getting back into school, and then also expanding my understanding of working within groups and having a leadership mindset. So I really enjoyed that. As far as the other classes we took, which was human development and research, um, I couldn't necessarily say I didn't enjoy it, but they were trying. They really stretched my knowledge from what I already knew. Um, so I do actually appreciate the classes that I took, and I passed them, so that's even better. So that's it for now. But just welcome everybody to the class, and hello.